expression to so quantify. So we can quantify to specify the number of the occurrence to the match in your string. Okay, so a is like exactly one a character. A plus means at least one a character, and a of a star means any number of character including 0. A this is what question mark, at least one a, that is neither either 0 or one number. Exactly m number of a of a's, minimum m number of a's and maximum n number of a's. So let's execute this all the things. Okay, so first is this a character. We'll find this a character. So here just we have a method called find idea, right? I think I discussed this method, right? So what is the job of a? When you will pass this value of a, just it will find, you can see this output exactly a. We will get where this a is there with index value. Okay, so start and group. So start and group we had already discussed, right? Two functions, starting from 0 index, and group means we are getting this value which is present inside this, matching this, right? Whatever the value, it is matching. So a means you can try with another character also. Okay, minimize this. Okay, so if I will execute this, so we are getting all this a which is present inside this string with index. So this is the one, and if you will give your plus a, then we will get here. Okay, in place of a we will use a plus. Just we'll go through one. What is the meaning of a plus 1? At least one a. In the group at least one a is there, right? So at least one a, you can see the output here a 0 I am getting. Here you can see at least one a, at least one a. So like that, we are getting this output. That output is coming. If you have a string, group of a string, so a plus means we have a at least one is there, it will display this value with this index value. Okay, a start value. So this is the another one, asterisk, a asterisk. So a asterisk, so what do you mean of a asterisk? See what I have mentioned, any number of including 0, any number of a including 0 also. Okay, if so if I will execute this, you can see any number of a including 0 also we will get. Okay, if a is there, okay, and we will also get, here a is there, right? And here a is not there, here 0 a is there, that one is also getting, means this will get the index with blank value, means 0 value, asterisk, a asterisk. And where is another, yeah, here we will get this here a of means exactly m number of is m number of A's. So I have given 3 here. Okay, see. Okay, so this is getting the group of, we will write here 2. Okay, so 2 here, how many we will get? You can see. So it will find the group of A. Okay, if you will change this value 1, you can see. Now all this A is getting, okay, whatever the A is present. So how it is working, just change this value and we can do dry run. Okay, so this is the quantifiers. Okay, so this, it will check whether the target string start with X or not. Okay, and it will check whether the target string is end with X or not. You can try with this. Okay, we have some important function in RE module. One is your match function, full match function, search function, find all function, sub function, sub n function, a split function, and compile function. So whatever we had discussed, same thing, and but here this is the function. Match function means we can use match function to check the given pattern at the beginning of the target string. If the match function is available, then we will get match object, otherwise we will get none. Okay, if match function is there, we will get what? Object, match object, otherwise what happen? We will get none value. So this is one example with match function. So if it will match, okay, then we will get what? Object, otherwise we will get non value. So just simply we have written here this RE module, and enter I am taking this input from a string, and here I call this match function. I have put it down this condition, m not equal to none, right? If it is not none, then what happen? This block will execute. Okay, if it is null, then this block will execute. So this value, okay, is check this matching or not. Okay, so let's execute this. Enter your pattern, right? Anything I am entering here. Okay, so what it is telling, a match is not available at the beginning of the string. You can see this block is not executed. So this will, because this is not matching this value. Okay, so again I will run with this. You can see if I will enter here, you can see match is available at the beginning of the string, start index 0 and index 19. So match function will check this is matching or not. If it is not matching, so it will return none. If it will match, it will return object value. Okay, so this is your match function. Change with this, you can change the another string and drag. Okay, in your side also. Here I have given ABCD only. Here I have given all the values. Then a start index 0 and in index is coming. Here I have given different values. So match is not matching. Okay, we have a full match. We can use the full match function to match a pattern to all the target string. That is, complete string should be matched according to given pattern. Here it is not required to match complete string. This is the group of the string is matching here. You can see this. Okay, then in which index it is there, group of this 0 index, and a start and end index is 3 here. But in this example we have to match full of this string, so we can use full match function to match a pattern to all target string. That is, complete string should be matched according to the given pattern. If complete string match, then this function return match object, otherwise it will return none. So let's execute. Logic is same, only function is different. Whatever the logic we have, same. Okay, import re module, then taking this value. If not none, then full a string match, otherwise a string won't be match. So if the value is ABC, okay, so full string is not match. Again I am going to execute this. Okay, just I will copy this once. Input I will take same, then it will match for full, then it will execute F block, full string is matched. Okay, this is the one. We have another function called search function. We can use search function to search the given pattern in the target string. If the match is available, then it will return match object which represent the first of the occurrence. If the match is not available, it return what? None. So we can use search function to search the given pattern in target string. Okay, if the match is available, then it will return match object which represent the first occurrence of this. If the match is not available, then it will return none. Okay, it is like it will search. Okay, here it will okay, so same logic is same. Here I missed this module. We will not import it, won't work, right? We have to import this. All the library, when you will install the Python, in your system is there. All this model, just we are going to use this. So enter your same, logic is same, match is available. Then it will go in this block and it will find this start and end value. That's it. Okay, so if we will execute this, enter your pattern. Just I am giving A C. Okay, C. Match is not available. Okay, because there is no match here, A and C. Now I am going to enter A, B, C. Still no match is there. Okay, if you will execute, some matches will execute now. Okay, we have a okay. Let's execute AB. Match is available. So first occurrence of the match which start with 0. Okay, so again if you will execute, okay, only B, okay, so BED is there, not there. So whatever the match is there, so it will just will enter here B only. Yeah, match is there. First occurrence of the match start with index 1. Okay, if you are entering group of the string, a single character occurrence, but it will search match is there or not. When I am giving this ABC, it's not there. AB is there, BB is not there, this match is not there. If you will enter only A, then it will search A is there or not. Yeah, A is there. Okay, you can add it this here, C, D, D, E. If you will give the one single occurrence also, then internally it is searching this. I am getting E. Yes, E is there. In which index it is there? Okay, a start and index in index. Okay, so this is how this search operation is going to work. This we have another function called to find all occurrence of the match. This function returns the list of the object which contains all the occurrence. Okay, so find all, its name is find all. This function return list of the object. Okay, so because this is the returning the group of the object, right? So that's why return type is list. Okay, so find all, I want to find inside this. Okay, this is the string is there, and I want to find 0 to 9 number, and I want to display this. So it will return type is string. Okay, so I am able to find whatever the value 0 to 9, and in this string 795 is there. We are getting this. Okay, you can change this value here. You can find your character also, because this is your find all. We have find itr, so return the iterator yielding a match of the match object for each match. Each match object can also call a start, end and group function. Let's see what I want to tell you here. Here it is, start, end value and group value. Okay, so find itr returning this 3 value. Okay, so that's why this all the things start and all we had already discussed, right? So from here we are finding this, find itr will find this start value also, your end value also and group value also. Okay, so this start, end and your group, start, end and your group, this all this value we are going to return. You can say it is only character. Can I try with number here, it is working or not? Let's try this. Yeah, it is working. Then someone will ask, what is the difference between this function and this function? So your answer is, it is also returning. Okay, what I have written, to find all occurrence of the match, this function return list of the object. Got it, right? Difference is, here it is returning list of the object, and here we are getting this output here in a start, end and group. Work is same, but output is coming in the different format. Okay, so some of the operation we have a list, I require the list, then we should go for find all. If you require the start, end and group, then we should go for find itr. Okay. So we have another function is called sub function. Sub means substitution or replacement. Okay, so what is the meaning of this? So this is the syntax of this replacement and targeting. Okay, so I think this spelling is wrong. Okay, so you can correct it. In this target string, every match button will be replaced with provided replacement. Okay, so what is the meaning of this? I want to replace A to Z value. I have given this what? Character type. Whatever the character it is there, I want to replace with hash symbol. Okay. Okay, so now, so whatever this character, A to Z character will replace with hash. Can see. This is your sub function. Every alphabet symbol is replaced with hash. We have a sub n function. So it is exactly same as sub function. It can also return the number of replacement. Means the return a tuple where the first element return the string and second element is the number of replacement. Here we will get the number, how many replacement will happen. Okay, so here one more nothing is there, number of replacement. Just here we are getting this replacement, how many replacement is there, and here just printing this starting and ending. Okay, this number of this will find only number of replacement. Okay, this it is returning as a tuple, because we are not getting how many number of replacement, but here we are getting number of replacement. Okay, that is and output is coming in the tuple format. That's it. This is not this is the difference between the sum and sum function. We have a split function. Just we have a character of this is the a string, and just we are going to split this string. That's it. If you want to split the given target string according to the particular pattern, then we should go for a split function. Okay, so now this is a split function. Just we are going to split this. That's it. This I'm splitting with this string. Okay, so just all this string I have split it. So this is all are in the string. For one A is one string, B is one string. So we are going to split this. That's it. This is the job of a split function. You can split this another value also, like this is the split function is there. I want to give this splitting this value 3 format is there. So in place of this dot, I'm going to split this backslash. Like that we are getting this output. Okay, so this is your split function. Okay, so we have a cap, so we can use this symbol to check whether the given target string start with our provided letter or not. Okay, so if we have a learn, so this will check this is pattern is available or not. If the target string start with learn, then it will return match object, otherwise it will return none. Okay, so just it will check pattern of a string. Okay, so you can see we have a learn. Okay, so this string I have given. We have a search, and I am using what this cap. It will check it is starting from this a string is there or not, this value. Okay, so same applying the same logic. If res not equal to none, then it is not none, then this block will execute, otherwise this block will execute. That's it. Okay, so target string start with LER. So this is the job of this. One more symbol is there, that is called dollar. So here just it is avoiding lower case sensitive. Okay, so we can use dollar symbol to check whether the given target string in with provided pattern or not. If the target string is with easy, then it will return match, otherwise it will return none. Okay, so not here. Okay, one more function is there. No, this is only. Okay. Okay, so both the functions are same, right? If the target string end with is easy, then it will return match object, otherwise it will return none. I think both symbols are same. Okay, here that is also same, right? Cap one, but here one more advantage is there. Okay, so what is the advantage of this symbol? So now it is working the same like the previous one. Okay, same like the previous one, but here one more functionality is there. Okay, target string is in with AG. Okay, so that is fine. One more here is there. If you want to ignore the case, then we should pass the third argument. So here one more argument is there, re dot ignore case for the search function. Okay, so here I can pass this ignore case also. So now before, this is the advantage of this dollar symbol. Okay, okay, so here one more, you can see I pass here easy. Okay, that is fine. Here you can see capital is there. Okay, this is easy, a small one, but here capital is there, right? So here it will ignore, no, it will ignore the case. So this is the advantage of dollar function. Okay, so these are the another function. I'm going to stop your session.